Welcome to this video, guys. I'm going to be showing you how to put cash in a card holder. Okay, so you may be familiar with these card holders that you can get on Amazon. Okay, I have one myself. It is quite old. So the first thing to take note of is when you get a card holder, it's going to be very stiff when you first get it. It won't be as flexible because the straps right here, they need to become flexible over time. So the more that you actually use your card wallet, the more flexible it will become. And as you can see, there is a clip at the back. You can see mine right there, and it can move just like that. So trying to put the cash in here by trying to lift this up is going to be a pain. So what you actually want to do is, I've got some cash right here. I believe it can hold about 30 to 40 notes comfortably. So I have 3 notes right here, just 3 cash notes right here. So what you want to do actually is you'll get your notes. These aren't in the best condition. Okay, so what you want to do is fold them, not fold them, but get them nice and straight like that, and then you just want to fold it directly in half. Okay, you can fold it towards yourself, make sure it lines up right there, and you just want to fold that perfectly in half like that. Then you just want to get your card holder, and what you want to do is, I'll move around like this. You just want to position it like this and then just slide it up really quickly, as you can see. So let me do that again. You want to position it like that and then just slide in your money just like that, and you can position it straight once you've got it in there. You're not actually going to tear your money with this clip. Don't believe there's anything on the back. This is just a $10 one off Amazon. But what you want to do is basically store it like that, make sure it's all the way up to the top, and then you can put that into your pocket. Getting it out again is really easy. You just slide your cash like that, and when you want to put in your change, let's just say you gave your cash to someone, now they gave you change, you simply just position it like that and slide it in there, and then hooks straight into place. So that is how you can put your cash in your card holder. I hope this helped you out. If it did, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.